Hello guys, welcome back to the cat dogs detection application learning series. Um, in this lesson we're going to train our model online, and we're going to be using this website to do that. It's called teachablemachine.withgoogle.com/train. So this website will enable me to be able to train models online without requiring any form of code. It's basically a web-based tool that can facilitate the creation of machine learning models without requiring any knowledge of coding. So we're going to use this to train our model with our dataset. So here I'm going to pull up my dataset of images. I have a folder here for test images. It has a folder of cats and also a folder of dogs. Here this folder is what I'm going to use to train the model, right? Has the same folder structure of cat and dogs, but the difference is this folder will be used to test and this one will be used to train the model, right? So I'm just gonna come back here, select an image project. I'm gonna use standard. Here I'm going to rename the class to say cats, and I'm going to rename this to say dog. Alright, so then I'm going to pull up my data set and drag the folder into it. So train. Just before I do that, I'm just going to tap on the upload button. Alright, and drag the cats here. Drag the dog folder here. So we have all these images fully loaded, and we're just going to tap on the train model button. So it's currently training. So right now we have the process completed, and we have our model trained already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test what we have. I'm going to test the model right now with what we have here. So I'm going to just go back to the folder and tap on test. I'm just going to go to the dogs folder and pull up an image and just try to see if it works. Right now this one works. It says dog 100%. I'm just going to try some more ones. Says dog. This one. Yeah, let's try some cats. Okay. Yeah, so far so good. Everything seems to work well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to export the model, select TensorFlow Lite. I'm going to change it to quantized, and I'm going to download the model. Alright, we have our file fully downloaded and converted. So I'm just gonna pull it up so you could see. So this is the file. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take these two folders, copy them, and place them in my assets folder in the project. I've placed in the model and the labels. The labels basically it's the result that will come from the prediction on the model. So it's just basically the result. So it's in this case it's either going to be a cat or a dog. So this is what I'm going to use to be able to pass into the output from the inference. Yeah, so I just need these two files. Over here, what I put here is basically cat and dog icon, just basically for UI purposes. But for the model, we have it here already, and we have the labels. So in the next lesson, we're gonna write some code. I'm gonna write some code basically to get started on the project. So see you in the next lesson.